how to create an EA account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an EA account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, simply click on the search bar and simply type ea.com and simply search for it. And now here, once you type that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the EA or Electronic Arts. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you simply have to click on create account, and after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you can create your account. Now here you'll be provided with different options to create an account. Like here you can create the account directly through Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, Steam account, Xbox account, or PlayStation account. But here for this video, I'll be creating EA account from the scratch. So here to do that, simply scroll down and there you simply have to select your country and region. And after that, you simply have to enter the date of your birth. And now here, once you're done entering the date of your birth, you simply have to click on next. And now here on the next page, you simply have to enter your email address. So simply enter the email address right here. And now here, once you're done entering your email address, simply click on send code option. And after that, on the next page, you have to enter the code that has been sent to your email. So simply check your email and enter the code. And now here, once you're done entering the code, you simply have to click on next. And now here on the next page, you have to create your EA ID and your password as well. So here, simply enter or create your EA ID. And now here, once you're done with it, simply click on the password. And now here, simply create a password for your EA account. And after that, you simply have to check the box right here. And after that, you simply have to click on create account. And once you do that, your EA account will be created. But before that, you simply have to check this board box and set your visibility as well. And after that, you simply have to click on finish. And that's it. That's how you can create EA account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.